Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like, and also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to delete absolutely all contacts from your iPhone. You have your contact book and you want to delete them all so that you don't have to delete each contact separately. How to do this? Very easy. This method will only take you a couple of minutes. To do this, we go into the settings of the iPhone. Now click on iCloud. Then we click here again. After that, we click Show All. If the checkbox here is not turned on, we need to turn it on. After that, we need to turn it off again and click on Delete from my iPhone. After we click on this button, absolutely all contacts will be deleted. You just click here. That's the easy way. This is the way. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. This was the Phone Support Channel. See you later. Bye bye.